Actually sang the song, right? It's from
Yeah. Actually, he played harmonica. I had to teach him the harmonica part for this, and he ended up playing it in the movie, and I played it on the soundtrack. It's an old Dylan song. I mean, I can really sing. I was young when I left home, and I bit out rambling round, and I never wrote a letter to my home, Lord, to my home. And I never wrote a letter to my home. It was just the other day, I was bringing home my pay, when I met an old friend I used to know. Said, your mother's dead and gone, your sister's all gone wrong, and your daddy needs you home right away.
my shirt on my back, penny on my name. But I can't go home this way, Lord, Lord, Lord. And I can't go home this way. If you miss the train I'm on, count the days I'm gone. If you ain't whistle blow 100 miles, Lord, Lord, Lord. If you ain't whistle blow 100 miles.
I was playing on the track, my mom would come and whoop me back on them trestles down by old Jim McKay. When I pay the debt I owe to that commissary store, I'll pawn my watch and chain and go home. I go home, Lord, Lord, Lord. I pawn my watch and chain and go home. I was young when I left home, and I've been around and around. I never wrote a letter to my home,